Another day, and we are printing some passenger cars. That one right there, this one, battery cover, I mean snow plows. So I might not be able to make edited videos like I said previously. I am working on the 3D printing, shipping. I do have a lot of work to do, so it will take me. So I'm just gonna document whatever I am doing right now so you can see the progress. And I have a lot of products sent by companies, so if someone knows how to set up this thing, please let me know because I have no idea. Part of the process to assemble passenger cars. Now you have to excuse the mess we have in this table, but anyway, for that person who bought this and all these here, let me tell you, also for the future customers, Donald Douglas or anyone who buys the snow plows, and actually I'm adding this as a gift or extra for that person who ordered all these for Percy. Nice. Now, in order to remove the snow plows, you need to hold this chassis and push with your thumb one side and then the other side. See, very easy. I know some people don't understand how these things work. You can click on like this, like Donald. The snowplow just push with one thumb one side and it's out. Comes out very easy. So same is for these other models. You just push one side and pull the other side. Like I say, I'm adding this as extra. And let's continue. Extremely busy. Thank you guys for your business. I'm trying to prepare all the shipments of today and printing, so I barely have time to to make videos. So thank you for your orders. This one is the next, and then I need to send one of these. Where's the face? Right here. It's salty. Thanks for your order. I need to continue. Here is something that we are doing right now. We are since these are broken models, most of these are broken, missing parts. What are we going to do is we are going to clean and wire, solder a brand new wire to this motor, and I'm going to put it for sale on eBay if interested. These are being cleaned, lube, and they will be soldered some wires to this. Now these white ones are for Heat Toy Company. Right there you can see Heat Toy Company. You're gonna make sure they are very clean. And these are for Tomy. Remember, for Gordon. They might fit to James, but I'm pretty sure these are for only Gordon. So there will be a listing for these motors with entire wire. Really accessible, very cheap. But remember, they will be in working condition, ready to install to your model. We have a lot of these models, and I want to check the a box for Henry. I also have something for Edward and for James. So check my listings. So far so good. We have the motors ready. I need to wash all these parts. All this junk can either be, I can put this as a spare parts. But most of this is junk. I might put this as in bulk, maybe as auction, whatever, if somebody needed. So I have this bunch of wires ready to solder to the motor, and all the parts here ready to assemble. And now the turn for the complete motor gearbox assembly. That's good. So I'm going to do the same with the other. I think we have like a 10 or 9, something like that. Good. As you can see, all the cogs have been washed and cleaned, and we added some lube to these cogs. Works good. Okay, we are done. We have some for Hit Toy Company 2006 Gordon and Tomy 2002. Still working on some others. If you need some spare parts for Gordon 2002 Tomy, check the link in the description. I have so many parts and models for sale. More coming soon.